gonna unbox the Lu Piggy Lu Xiaoguan. Especially got this from Hong Kong on the day that they released on 12th of December, and I got it on 13th of December. So let's unbox it. Careful. Did you cut the box? You slice the box. Is it? So excited. Yes, so there's 8 boxes inside, and one of it is supposed to be 8. There's total of 10 designs, 8 normal and 2 secret. But then since we bought the whole set, so one will be a secret and there will be 7 regular.
Is it?
Yeah, one will be either special or secret, and then 7 regular. So let's open the first one.
You open first?
Yeah.
Nah, there's no way you can hear it.
Which
It's
one?
just jiggling.
Feels a bit heavy.
Which one are you looking forward to?
I want the secret hot pot.
Hot Pot is the cutest.
Yeah. Actually, I like all of them. I really want the crispy roast duck, candied hulu, Lu bao bao, the Long Jing Cha, Gong Fu Mian, Dong Bo Rou.
So basically everything lah.
Yeah. Okay,
You open first?
I open first. First one. So
Did you get? No, I didn't see it.
Huh.
No.
1, 2, 3. Huh. It's
What's
a
it?
北京烤鸭. Woo! 北京烤鸭. So,
Open it and see.
ooh, it has the plates.
Ooh.
Can you open the plates?
Thank you.
It feels like it reminds me a bit like the Pokemon that,
The far-fetched?
yeah, Farfetch, but pig fetch.
Fetched.
And then it's magnetic. It comes with the bowl plate and the skin, and sits on it. So cute. Okay, that's our first one.
In front.
Cannot. Wait, later.
My turn.
What's inside?
I'm hoping for the hot pot.
Let's use these to prop them up. Okay.
It's quite nice that they put it in a booklet so it's
Yeah.
like you don't know what
Yeah.
you get yet.
So you slowly open. What do you want? One. It's opposite, I think.
Oh.
Upside down. 1, 2, 3.
Hot pot.
Oh,
Long
Long
Jing
Jing Cha. That's a nice one
That's
also
one.
with the cat.
Maybe the next one? Oh, the cat is inside. Okay.
There's something?
Okay.
Oh, there's the cat and the plate.
I'll take that one.
So cute. So on. And
There's
the
no
cat.
magnet one.
Nope. So it's like pouring tea. Okay, that's the second one. Okay, third one. My turn again. This one feels a bit light. It might be Toyzero or Lu bao. I feel feels a bit light. So let's open it.
The Lulu Bao like the most underwhelming one.
Everything is cute.
Will there be any duplicates?
I hope not. So the third one.
How about?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Toyzero.
Toyzero. Also something that I want because it's super cute.
Yeah, master did it.
It's really like very realistic looking. Still got one bite mark here, like someone
Wow.
took a bite, and looks very jelly-like. Third one, your turn.
My turn.
It looks like a Sun Wukong.
Oh, with the thing.
Yeah. Which one do you think it is?
I don't know. I want to know. What I want to do is find out.
Is it heavy?
I don't think so. I feel like.
No, sometimes they put the thing to mess up the weight. Like they put little weights inside. Opposite.
Oh, it's open opposite.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
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 this is
汤圆.
汤圆. It's just nice today is the
冬至.
冬至 egg. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Although I'm not really keen on the 汤圆.
Is this the
It's a 芝麻汤圆.
is this the wheat thing?
猪麻
猪麻
元宵.
Good. Lucky we open it today. Oh.
Today is just nice 冬至. Happy 冬至. Fourth one. My turn.
Oh. Oh well.
Okay. Oh, feels quite light.
Then the other one you haven't tried it.
This one? Okay. Fifth one. Dugun, dugun, dugun.
You're definitely open.
Okay.
This is the first time we bought like the whole box.
Yeah, because everything is so cute. So fifth one, what do we have here? Dun.
Oh.
Oh, what's this?
猪包.
Oh, the
Bao.
Lu
Bao.
bao. Okay.
猪包.
There are like some the buns. It comes separately. Can you help me set it up?
Yeah.
And they have this thing to mess up the weight.
Yeah lor.
Ooh. It's like a. It's holding a empty steamer.
The bun
So
is
yeah, you have to put the bun in. The bun has a. The bun is actually not sure can see. It has a like a Lulu face on it too.
correct.
Then cover it. Ta-da! Fifth one, Lu bao bao.
Need more space.
Your turn.
Our turn. Tap it.
Hot, 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 hot. Then you must kiss it. No, you. Why you go kiss on
Oh
the...
no. Yeah, so it's a hot pot. I think I kissed the noodle spinning.
Dugun, dugun, dugun. Dugun, 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 dugun.
Right.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
Oh!
yeah, that's the one you kissed. Really? Just now you kissed this one. 麻婆豆腐.
Damn.
We are down to the last two.
One of them will have to be the. Should we open together? See who get what? Let them fun. Oh, nice.
Wow, it's really wow, so cute. It's sleeping like drunk, food coma after eating the.
One big
Yeah.
bowl of.
Okay, we are down to the last two.
We open together. Then
Okay,
you open.
let's open together.
Okay.
Mine, this one, there's a bit of weight.
The fish also.
Also a bit of weight.
Let me kiss the pop first.
So, we want the piggy hot pot.
How about both?
Piggy
Both the
hot
special and secret are
pot.
possible.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hot pot. Okay.
I kiss the special also.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So we open the both things together. Let's see.
Eh, where's the? Oh. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Huh. Oh, you got the 冰糖葫芦.
Then what do you get?
I get the 功夫
Oh,
面.
so we didn't get the
So
special
we
or
didn't
the
even get
secret.
the special or the
Oh.
secret.
But we got the
It's
whole set.
The whole set of the regular.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
I guess because I really wanted the 功夫面 and the 冰糖葫芦 also. Yeah.
Oh, no, the hot pot. Oh, okay. We got the whole set. Hope maybe we can try the strawberry.
Oh, this one actually comes in a
I
plastic.
think because they want to ensure the thing don't spoil. Yeah, I like this.
Ooh, it's like really smooth noodles like that. Rubber lah. Oh, it actually spins. Oh my god. Like how the Hai Di Lao, the people spinning.
The real Kung Fu master.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, the mayonnaise.
Yeah. So cute. It's so plump. Okay. Ooh, it's a bit heavy. Okay.
That's our unboxing.
Yay.